If for any reason you signed up for Social Security retirement benefits before you turned 65, then your Medicare enrollment will be automatic. Your card showing Medicare Parts A and B will just show up in your mailbox a few months before you turn 65. But if you are delaying your Social Security benefits until your full retirement age or later, you will need to initiate your own enrollment into Medicare during your initial enrollment period. Your initial enrollment period, or IEP, lasts for 7 months. It starts 3 months prior to your birthday month, runs through your birthday month, and ends 3 months after your birthday month. The easiest way to apply for Medicare at 65 is to do it online at the Social Security website. Just go to ssa.gov and click on Sign Up for Medicare. Your Medicare card will be mailed to you within 30 days of your application. You can also apply for Medicare by phone, requesting that a Medicare application be mailed to you. Call Social Security at 1-800-772-1213. Lastly, you can apply in person at your local Social Security office. Most Social Security offices these days will let you set an appointment ahead of time, so the wait times for an in-person enrollment are not quite as long as they used to be. This can be convenient if you are very close to turning 65 and you need to get your Medicare claim number quickly. When you submit your application during your 7-month window affects when your Medicare coverage will take effect. For most beneficiaries, if you apply in the 3 months prior to your birthday, your Medicare benefits will begin on the first of the month of your 65th birthday. The one exception is if your birthday falls on the first of any month. In that scenario, your Medicare benefits can begin 1 month earlier. In fact, your whole 7-month enrollment period will start a month earlier if you are born on the first day of any month. If you wait and apply for Medicare during your birthday month or during the last 3 months of your initial enrollment period, your benefits will begin on the first of the month following your Medicare application date. Once you have signed up for Medicare Parts A and B, that coverage stays in effect unless you cancel it or stop paying your Part B premiums. You do not need to re-enroll in Medicare Parts A and B annually. Your next step, if you don't have retiree health coverage from a former employer, will be to choose either a Medigap plan or a Medicare Advantage plan to help you with all of the cost sharing that you must pay that Medicare does not cover. To learn more about that, you can pick up my book, 10 Costly Medicare Mistakes You Can't Afford to Make. Or you can call our team at 817-249-8600. Our service is free. In the next videos, let's look at how to enroll in a Part C Medicare Advantage plan if you think that's the route you'd like to go.